Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY.
Hello dear students, today I, Nupur Chandra, your English teacher, is going to teach you the new topic degree of adjective of your MCB book grammar exercise lesson 3. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another noun, and it is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. जब हम एक नाउन को दूसरे से कंपेयर करते हैं then we need it. So the three degree of comparisons are the positive degree, second is the comparative degree, and third is the superlative degree. I will tell you the explanation of all these three. The very first one is positive degree, is used to refer to one object, place without making any comparison. जब हमें कोई भी comparison नहीं करना होता and we usually talk about only one person or object or place, then we use positive degree as she has a big house. Next is comparative degree, refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to positive degree, and it is used to compare two objects, places or people. जब भी हमें किसी दो चीज़ों के बीच में कंपैरिजन करना होता है then we always use comparative degree of adjective, and somewhere it is superior than positive degree. The example is it is used to compare two objects, people or places, as I told you before. The example, her house is bigger than my house. हमने यहाँ पर दो हाउस का आपस में कंपैरिजन किया है and we are saying that her house is bigger than my house. Now we will tell about the third degree, that is superlative degree, that refers to the greatest degree of adjective, means this is the superior most one. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. ये हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें ग्रुप में किसी एक का कंपैरिजन बाकी सबसे करना होता है, more than two people. So the example is his house is biggest to all. Here we are showing three houses and we are saying that his house is the biggest to all. मतलब we are doing the comparison in between three houses. So these all are the degree of. Now we will talk about some rules. We add er or est to the most of one or two syllable words that end in consonants. Positive, dull, comparative, duller, and superlative, dullest. So this is the simplest way. The second rule, when the positive ends in e, we add only r or st. यहाँ पर हमें er या est नहीं लगाना. Example, large. Then we will make it larger and superlative will be largest. As you can see that here we are not putting an extra e. The next rule is when the positive ends in consonants plus y, we drop y and we add ier or iest as lucky, luckier and luckiest. यहाँ पर हमने क्या करना है, y drop करके ier. In this case we need to remove y. The next rule, when the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant like ed, then we double ending consonant and add er, redder and reddest. When the positive is long, that means a word of two or more syllables, we add more or most, more with comparative degree and most with superlative degree. Then we don't use any rule what I taught you before. Like when the positive is long, that means a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most as I taught you before. So useful is a big word. Then we will write it in more useful or most useful. ऐसे ही intelligent में भी we use more intelligent and most intelligent. The next rule is when there are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative from their positives, and they have irregular degrees of comparison as good, better, best, and bad, worse, worst. So these type of words don't follow any rule of degree of comparison. We use then with a comparative degree and the with a superlative degree. The we use before and then we use in comparative but after the comparative word. The example is we use then with a comparative degree and use the with a superlative degree. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Here shorter is the comparative degree and we are using then just after the shorter. So this is the rule for comparative degree. The next thing is for superlative degree. As I told you that we use the with superlative. Falguni is the shortest. The we use before the superlative degree.